MaxieTrenz lifestyle. Money we need and we don't need love. Every ghetto youth. Money we need and we don't need love. We locking for weeks in our schemas. Maxie stack the greens fit on me, bro. They all live the dream, him the dream, bro. Lobster and grill the whole team out. Sense up and loop, no use key, bro. Chop up the beast for roll reload. Barbie front seat, I give him deep chop. MaxieTrenz money half enough, can't too much. Me want all of the dogs, them rich out. I pre-couple beat, just one for your own one. No. Alright guys, I'm about to head out right now. I'm going to Florida. It's snowing right here in Massachusetts, as you can see. It's a lot of snow, but Florida, here I come. My Uber driver is the worst, guys. Snowing in Massachusetts. Alright guys, my Uber finally get here. Late, but we're gonna make it, hopefully. Alright.
Hey, she says to me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, hey, that she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried.
Driver late like one. And it has snow. So it's crazy.
Don't mean I love you, she's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, tell that she put her hand around my waist. I told her no, she cried, tell told her I never run away. Let me go, I saw let me go right. I'll ask you why. I said, tell somebody tell me what she said. Don't mean I love you. It means I love you. Don't mean I love you.
Blue for you. Why not?
Man.
You don't want to pan the vlog, guys. So we reach at the airport, you know the thing go. Ooh. This are going out there. But while the British talk at the town, they don't know we have to do their live though. Alright. Hi. So we're here in the airport, guys. Airport empty. This is my first time using this airport and it's pretty clean. Not gonna lie.
This is the Worcester Airport. Okay, I don't know, it's the second city of Massachusetts. So it got a little airport and it's pretty nice.
What's that?
Driving to get here was not that easy, right?
No,
Yeah.
you think so?
No.
It's kind of snow covered.
Yeah. Then because of the old snow since the snowstorm. Yeah.
Yeah, well, the snow's still here.
Mm-hmm. They're all set and ready. So guys, I think I'm probably the only black person on this flight today. Airport shenanigans.
Gentlemen, as you know, it is quite cold as possible and find their seats. Flight attendants never been.
Final de abordaje pasajeros viajando por Aeroméxico, Cienzana se encuentran por el Valis Moreno Serrano, Carlos Alberto Sánchez.
At the airport, just reached, just touched down like NASA. We just touched down. I mean, I don't know, Orlando. I mean, some type shit. Orlando. Yeah.
Those reality of theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found at our art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. Hope you enjoy your visit and everything that makes Orlando unbelievably cool.
A good one. Car rental.
Nobody love it, wait, in the end, done.
Lost without you. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do perfect sets of my leg. I'm 21, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you did. Eat to me. Your body highway speaks to me. I don't know what you did. Eat to me. Your body highway speaks.
Sunshine State, you know what I mean?
We got make a dance couple time, girl. I take my picture. I pick a fuck up in ya. Jeep, jeep, jeep. Fuck up in ya. Move, jeep. I bet me fuck up in ya, girl. Aye, jeep. Fuck up over this, walk over this, them run up over this. See a hot girl, me a call her hello. If you see the girl that dance and the place get mellow, hear me a tell her. So me do my thing, chain to my bling. Skip me enemy, them me a listen breathing. Camera, action, film. When we outside, lock down your building. Make me fuck up in ya. I make me fuck up in ya. Jeep, jeep, jeep. I make me fuck up in ya.
And we're here at the hotel, guys. Mikasa Hotel in Orlando. About to check in, get to my room, and get ready for the party. Stay tuned.
MaxieTrenz lifestyle. Account I get account, you know the code turn white people fool with them on a ton. Maxi make it dirty money have a youth a grow. Maxi say Shelly beats our use say now. 30K pan a tees and a shoes alone. US the money tall pa the tree account. AP bus down left a cheech a month. Louis V pan the tees pizza cheese a ground. Have a blow like a Tina John lifeguard. Have couple broom couple steel you know. Tell a rat down. Cause the G no joke. 7 point thumb face left teeth a show. Maxi money have enough can't too much. We want all of the dogs them rich out. A fat ride at the gate and now you own that. Know you that fi rich now to hold back. Money have enough can't too much. We want all of the dogs them rich out. I break up a beach house one for your own one. Room. Yeah man I see them on MaxieTrenz.
Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one thing.
Like Gaspar, yo, London, big up yourself, Emirates, big up yourself, here the day, big up yourself, Japan, big up yourself, they don't know the thing going, they are we are represent, yo, Raphael, big up yourself, Coffee Boss, they don't know the whole Massachusetts there, Lady there, big up yourself, they don't know the thing, I'm actually trying to represent, watch it play, it's like we have some energy in the morning, yo.
2016, Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come here, I too fly.
Clean, man. All when them big. Then you fuck. One MaxieTrenz,
That's the housekeeper. Keep the place fresh, you know what I mean? But yeah, day in the morning I just go on tour the place, see what's going on. It's a nice little vibes. I don't know, last night TalkADiTown main event, you know what I mean? TalkADiTown, you know what I mean? Main event last night was a vibe. Yeah, I don't know. People them come out, dress up, and yeah, it's a good look. 10-year anniversary, while the British big up yourself, you don't know the thing. It was a vibe, man. You know what I mean? It's been a minute. We jump out certain way and we go some and go event, but you don't know who's for the most, so we have to chat some things. You know, the chap go. So yeah, don't know, look more all black. So it's gonna be a vibe again, same way. You don't know, some of the thugs them on the ground never link up last night, but for sure in the night I dog them say them a pull up, you see me? It's a good vibe, man, with there. Enjoy the sun, cause pure snow from what the snowstorm, man. You know what I mean? From the snowstorm we don't get a break. Even when me a forward down here, as you can see earlier in the video, snow. So now I'm there, so I have to just soak up the sun. Feels so good. But yeah, MaxieTrenz lifestyle. Some of the people I'm tuning in. Don't know my first vlog, but just comment down below and let me know if you need, you know. If we continue this thing and do more vlogs and get with it. Yeah, but stay tuned. Don't know. me see what I go on. But the view nice from a balcony. Pull over this one. You know what I mean? So vibe, man. Vibe.
Room. Yeah, man, I see them on MaxieTrenz. The whole MaxieTrenz Lifestyle Foundation. You will see Bray. On General Portland side. And we are say entire universe. Art of love.